science finally has found a solution for thinning hair, look no further than the Particle Hair Revival Kit, offering the best technology and the highest quality ingredients for fighting hair loss. 2016, a study about thinning hair found that the use of Capixyl in 46 individuals resulted in a 7.5% increase in hair density. In 2014, a hair tonic containing biotin was found to enhance hair density, thickness, and growth in just 3 months. A 2017 study found that a hair lotion with jojoba oil improved hair thickness, shine, and manageability. Particles Kit includes a hair and scalp cream and scalp massager designed to effectively absorb the ingredients into the scalp and promote thicker, fuller hair with more volume. There's no risk in trying the Particle Hair Revival Kit. So, if you want to energize your hair growth with a scientifically proven solution, try the Particle Hair Revival Kit today.